Pattylicious on Kingston Road and what was that? Victoria Park area. I guess this is Scarborough. It's not East York. Yeah, it's Scarborough. This is a Pattylicious Caribbean fusion. I think they specialize in like stuffed patties. This thing was $5.30. So yeah, the expectations are super high. Let's check it out. $5.30 for a place on Kingston Road and Victoria Park. Fuck me. It's similar looking, the bread, to that last place, Jacqueline's, we went to. Yeah, what the fuck, dude? $5.30 fucking cents. Let's check it out. It's softer. It doesn't have that dusty feeling. Looks like there's a good bit of meat in here. It's nice and kind of like juicy looking too. Pause. Yeah, and it looks like it goes all the way to the end, so that's a good thing. Has that nice little greasy feel that Alwyn's has. Here's the meat. Good bit of meat. Smells good too. It almost smells like not Subway, Mr. Sub. That's weird. Let me hit this. There's a little bit of a unique taste. Not bad, but you notice it right away. Some weird spices. Weird taste. What is that? It's not like bad, but I don't really like it. It's juicy though. The meat is like kind of wettish, like it's like saucy. Very fresh. Yeah, it has a weird taste that it's weird too. It is like it's a nice bread, but there's barely any mess, so I don't know. It's weird. The meat did go all the way to the edge. Good bit of meat throughout the whole thing, but that little taste, that weird taste, I don't know. Like, it's not gross or it wasn't like terrible. It's just personally, I didn't really like it. I couldn't even describe what it's like. Like a little bit of tanginess. I don't know. That guy's picking his ass. What the fuck? Yeah, it was. Wasn't bad. It was nice. It was fresh. It was definitely made like today, very recently. I don't know. I wouldn't come back here though, especially not for that $5.30. Fuck, man. Smoked beef rib meal. Yeah, they got all kinds of food here. Pimento smoked jerk chicken. Come in and taste it for free. What the fuck? The only place to taste in Toronto, no chemically, naturally smoked. Hickory smoked beef ribs. Yeah, they got all kinds of wild stuff here. But fuck. This is considered a gourmet patty. There's nothing too crazy about it, like too different from some other places we've been to. I wouldn't say it's gourmet. That guy in Kensington, that was gourmet just because it was so different. The bread was different and everything, but this is just kind of like a regular beef patty with like a little bit of a weird taste and a dirty ass price tag. Fuck, $5.30, bro. Yeah, I think because of the price, you know, I get some points for the freshness, but the price just that just made my dick soft. Like, I don't know. Let's go with 6.1. Yeah, that's fair. I want to go lower, but it's just, I think it's the price that's making me want to go lower. But it's not bad. I would not recommend it. I'll never come here again. Fucking $5.30. Fuck off, man. There's actually it's not bad. It looks good, and like I said, it's very fresh. The bread feels fresh. The meat is very fresh. It's good quality. It's just a shitty price. It's not worth the price. Yeah, 6.1. Yeah. See you in a bit.